everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Susie from Threadquarters. Thanks so much for joining me today. I am just sharing some of my recent makes and what I've been up to recently. So if you'd like to find out more, then keep watching. So hello, I'm back again. There was a bit of a break in my videos for various reasons. The first one, major one, was that I filmed making my Emerson trousers as a sew along, and I spent ages doing that, ages editing it, and then I tried to upload it onto YouTube and I just couldn't. Now, it was really long, an hour and a half. It's a long video. I've never tried to upload a video that length before, and I pretty much broke my computer. I'm not an expert at this. I'm not an expert at computers at all. I don't really know what I'm doing, and it was very evident when I was trying to sort this out, and I just couldn't. So I think the only way I'm going to be able to do it is to break it down into maybe 3 or 4 videos, but it's going to be so much work and I have just not had the time to dedicate to it. So the footage is all there. I'm going to have to re-edit it for each single video that I do because, as I say, I don't know how to do it otherwise, any other way than that. If there is anyone that knows about iMovies and how to edit videos to make them still high definition but not such a humongous file size, then please get in touch with me and help me, because I could do with the help, because I don't know how to do it, and my file size was astronomical and that's why I couldn't upload it. There's got to be a way around it but I don't want to lose the quality either. So if you do know how to help me, please give me all your suggestions, because I do want to put that video up for you, but I can't. So anyway, that is one of the reasons why I haven't had a video up for a little while, and the other reason is because I decided to knuckle down and focus on a couple of projects that I have been wanting to do for quite some time, and I just thought, let's just go for it. Let's start it now. So I have been really wanting to start offering sewing lessons locally, but I was struggling to try and find somewhere to hold my sewing lessons, and it held me back a bit, and then I just thought, you know what, let's just hold them in your own house. So that's what I'm doing, and I have just launched last weekend the first 2 classes that I am now offering from my own home, and I just wanted to share it with you online here, and you can see the samples that I have sewn up for my sewing classes that I'm going to be holding. So first up, this is the class I'm most excited about because it's something unique and different. No one else in my area offers this kind of class, so I'm really hoping that there will be some folk out there that would be interested in coming along. And it is geared towards maybe new mums or dads of young babies, pre-crawlers, because it is a baby friendly class. So come along, bring your baby. I'll have a nice little area for the babies to hang out, safe and secure, in one side of my kitchen dining area, and the other side will be dedicated to the sewing. And at the small groups, there's only going to be 3 maximum, and we're going to learn how to sew baby clothes. So this is the dress sample I have. Super cute. I just love it so much. You guys, if you follow along, will probably recognize the fabric, because I have actually made a top for myself out of this fabric. And there's buttons here and here, here and here, and then a little bit of gathering. It's a fully lined bodice, and then just the skirt with a simple hem. So a really simple, fun beginner's project, and I teach every step of the way of how a sewing machine works up until making your very first garment. This is the pattern that we're going to be doing, is New Look 6970. So maybe if you're watching this, you can't come along but would like a nice beginner's project, or you know someone that's having a baby, or you're having a baby, I really recommend this. It is a lovely little pattern, really nice. And then I've also made up sort of a boys version. To be honest, I would put a girl in this as well, but it's the romper option. So cute little elasticated leg holes here, and then some, like, actually this was new to me when I started sewing this up. It's like popper tape. I didn't know anything about that because I didn't really make too many baby clothes. I made this up and for the sample, and I thought, oh, I wish I'd made that for my own little boy when he was this size. I would love to have put him in this. So again, you can see the buttons I've put in there, nice little wooden ones there, and yeah, it's just so cute. So yeah, I'm really excited about hosting this class. I just think it's going to be so cute, just having little babies come in, and of course safety is paramount, and I'm going to make sure that there is a definite baby area and a definite sewing area. But because we're all going to be mums there, you know, we're all going to be very understanding of each other, and we'll take our time, take it nice and slow. If baby needs fed or cuddled or nappy change or anything like that, then we're just taking it slow, and we'll stop and start and just go at the speed that everyone is happy with. So anyway, if you're interested in, if you happen to be local and you're watching this and are interested in taking the class, then I will have the links to my website directly to each class page, so you can get full information of everything we're going to learn, the dates the classes start. It's going to be at the beginning of November. It's going to be a weekly course. The baby clothes class is a 5-week course, an hour and a half long. I didn't want to keep it too long because you know, if bringing your baby along, you know, you don't want it to be too long. So and then the second class that I am offering is a just beginners sewing class, and learn to make a top or a dress in time for the festive season. So again, we're going to be starting at the beginning of November. It's going to be 6 weeks long, so by the end of the course you will have learned how to make a top or a dress, and depending on the fabric that you pick, it might be something that you end up wanting to wear over the festive season, and you can go out for drinks and everyone will admire your gorgeous top or dress, and you can say, thanks, I made it myself. So again, small numbers. It's held in my house, so 3, maybe 4 maximum. As I say, all the details for the class will be down below, but the pattern that I have chosen for us to focus on is the Stevie pattern by Tilly and the Buttons. Yep, the Stevie pattern, and I have made samples, so for those of you who obviously can't come along, I'll just show you what I've been sewing recently. The first sample I made up is a classic one. It's a lovely cotton lawn. This is a Lady McElroy fabric, with the tie detail at the back. It's just a top version. I really like the length that the Stevie is as a top actually. It's slightly cropped, but not too cropped that it's indecent if you know, put your arm in the air sort of thing. It's quite a flattering length. Nice top stitching detailing here. You've got your facings, so we're going to learn all about that. I treated this exactly as how I'm going to be teaching it, so with a zigzag edge finishing, seam finishing here, rather than overlocking, just for starting out, but then double fold hem. And then I've also got the patch pocket on it, and for those of you who have maybe been following along with my sewing, you might recognize this fabric. This is my lovely orchid linen that I made up so many things in over the summer. The Emerson trousers that I've filmed for my sew along are made in that. There's Emerson shorts, and then also there was a Maya crop top. So I made 3 things out of this fabric, and I did have a tiny bit left, and I thought, you know what, that is a really nice match for this fun print. So yeah, just really fun and easy and simple to wear. I really liked it. The next sample is probably my favorite, and I'm so excited about this top. It is, even if I say so myself. So, because I wanted the samples for the course to just be really, really nice, I treated myself, the course, to this fabric that I've been wanting forever. It's the Atelier Brunette double gauze with the gold embroidered dots on it. Oh, that lighting's really showing up the wrinkles, sorry about that. But those are, is it going to focus? Yeah, so those are gold embroidery dots on this double gauze. It is just so lovely. Again, top version, really is a lovely, like slightly dressy top. You could wear with skinny jeans, high heels, take it out, have a few drinks. Really perfect little outfit. And then at the back, instead of the tie, I have just put on a little loop and a button which is gold and mirrors these gold dots just perfectly, and I love that. Nice and simple and elegant, and I'm in love with this top. And then finally, because I'm saying that the course is a dress or top, I have made a dress version. I have already made the dress version, which I took on holiday, and I think, as I said in my review video for that it is the perfect swimsuit throw on. So if maybe it's coming into swimsuit weather for you right now, or you're maybe going away on holiday and you want something quite nice and easy to sew up, the Stevie as a dress is, to me, a really great swimsuit throw on. Or you know, it doesn't have to be for summertime. I have picked, again, another very special fabric, another Atelier Brunette that I've been lusting after forever. This is the Granito in the navy colorway. I can't remember exactly what they call it, and I have made the dress version. So it's a short dress. It'd be nice with tights and heels, or also with, you could even wear this over skinny jeans and boots, or just thick tights and boots and a nice big cardigan. It would be lovely. I think this is the kind of, because of the fabric lends itself well to like more dressy or more casual, I think this is the kind of thing that I'm going to be able to dress up or down. So I'm excited, because it's pricey fabric, so I wanted to get the most wear out of it possible, and I do think that this gives it justice. Again, for the back here, I've gone for the button and a loop. I've used a little bit of blue ribbon that I had in my stash, very similar to this. And again, this button here is like a very light pink covered button that I had in my stash, and I thought it went really well with the light pink in the print. So really, really beautiful dress. This is in a viscose, so it's trickier to sew, definitely. I mean, if it is your very, very first project, which it will be for the class, then the cotton lawn is the way to go for sure. Double gauze is a little trickier to work with, but not as tricky as viscose. Viscose does have a little mind of its own. But anyway, in the course I will of course be chatting to everyone about fabric and different fabrics and the different properties that fabrics can have, about drape, the way fabric moves, and how that's going to affect what your finished garment will look like. You know, if you guys are following along with me, I'm sure you already know all this, so I'm not going to be going into it now, but just to say that we'll be talking about fabric in the course and make sure that you pick the perfect fabric for you. So anyway, I'm super, super excited to announce these sewing classes on my channel. If you are local and are interested in learning how to sew, then please do check out the links in the description box below for full information on the classes, when they're held, how much they cost, what's included, what you'll need to bring, all of that. Or if you aren't local and are just tuning in for a chat, I hope you enjoyed seeing my different samples that I've sewn up and what I've been doing recently and why I've been quiet for so long. You'll also see in the cutaways for the Stevies that I've sewn up that I have paired the tops and dress with two really beautiful delicate necklaces that I think work so perfectly with these outfits. These are both kindly gifted to me from the Happiness Boutique again, and if you do like either of these necklaces, then there will be a link down below for you to go and check them out. I think I've said before they're based in Germany, and they do offer free international shipping, which is amazing. They are gold plated. The one that is 2 lines of chain with the little dots running along them, or the little balls running along them, is yellow gold plated, and I just think it is so beautiful. Doesn't it look so nice with the Atelier Brunette gold dot fabric? It's just a really good pairing. I think it's adorable. And then the other necklace that I have, I've paired it with the granito because of the pink tones in the granito. This is actually a rose gold plated necklace. I love the way those little gold circles just sort of hang from the necklace. It's just very delicate and elegant, I think. So thank you so much, Happiness Boutique, for sending me some more of your beautiful necklaces. I'm absolutely delighted with them, and I do think they're very beautiful. If any of you watching would like to check them out, there will be a link in the description box down below, and perhaps there might be something on their website that takes your fancy. And whoops, I forgot to sign off. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all again next time. Bye for now.